Guys, welcome back to another Jungles Travels. Just a quick stop off just to say hello. So where are we going this week? Well, as you can see, the weather is pretty atrocious. Now, I was supposed to be going, sorry, stuck in a sweet by the way. I was supposed to be going to somewhere in North Yorkshire, near York. However, they said don't travel. It has been quite bad. You saw a broken tree branch on the way in then. There's been quite a few trees down in the area. So I don't really know if I want to travel for an hour and a half to get stranded or something. Yeah, I don't know if I want to travel to get stranded. However, I am going to travel somewhere because we need to go and pick something up. So right now I'm going to jump in the van and just pop into town and pick something up. So let's see where we end up anyway. I don't actually know where we're going this week. No idea. But anyway, beautiful cemetery by the way. Yeah, people are dying to get in here. Just have a look how thick them snowflakes are coming down now. That's proper thick. You've not seen it like that for a long time. Anyway, let's go shopping. I honestly don't think I've ever actually seen the snowflakes so big. Absolutely huge. That's pretty freaking epic. I'm a bit mesmerised. Look at the size of them. Awesome. Turn the wipers off, just look how big they land on the window. That's pretty cool. Anyway, let's go shopping. Can you guess where we're going? We're going over there. Right, we're here. We've arrived. The snow's got a little bit thinner. Not as thick as it was, but that was huge before, wasn't it? Huge. Anyway, we are going in there to pick something up. So, let's go shopping. Tell you what, it's pretty busy in here. Also, I'm wearing a mask, but I feel a bit odd wearing it. Anyway, I need some darts, so we come for a dartboard. That's what we're getting. Awesome. Yeah, I do feel a bit odd wearing a mask in here because nobody else is. But hey, I've got a bit of a cold, so I'm wearing it. That wasn't too bad. £9. Bargain. Actually, I didn't want the dartboard, but it was cheaper to buy a dartboard and darts set than it was to buy a set of darts on its own. Go figure. Anyway, where do we go next? No idea. So I was supposed to be going to North Yorkshire, as we know, where the darts were taking me. However, due to the severe weather warning, we're not doing. But I will do next week, promise. So, what we're doing this week is, I'm just going to do a little bit of cooking for you, I think. Because there's not really anywhere I can go. As you saw, picked up my dartboard. So I now have darts and a bit of light entertainment in the van if I get bored. So what do I have in my little bag of delights? I've got some mushrooms and half an onion. I've got some Spanish style grains, which saw in Aldi earlier and I thought, ooh, quite like the idea of them. I've got a little bit of tomato and olive paste and a tin of pink salmon and also some chopped tomatoes. And we've also got some lovely flatbread to do in the Ridge Monkey. Not tried it, not know what it's going to be like, but let's give it a go. Right. Oh, see how cold it is? Anyway, get some more mushrooms in there. Because you've got to have mushrooms. It's requisite, but you have to put mushrooms in everything. Get the onions in there. We've got these lovely little Spanish grains, so chuck those in there. And that is the great thing about this microwave stuff. One of the great things about this microwave rice and stuff like that is that you can actually cook it in a pan, which a lot of people don't realise. So we'll get some chopped tomatoes in there as well next. Now I might not even use the pesto shit. I think while we're waiting for this to simmer and do its thing, we'll open the darts. Ooh. We'll have a quick game of darts. Not actually played darts for years. Got a dartboard for the van now. All we need is somewhere to hang it. See, you can't do this in a posh van, can you? Right, should we have a go at darts? Now it has to be said that these are cheap and nasty darts. These are the kind of darts that you throw that way and they go that way. So I'm not hoping for much. As I said. Well, well, yeah. It's newness of the board, newness of the darts. We've got a 5. Oh my god, we haven't got a 5. These are the worst fecking darts ever. Look, there's no weight to them. You literally got to launch them at the fucking board. Yes! Right, yeah. With any luck, the yellow ones might be better. Although I'm not guaranteeing it. Tell you what though, my dinner smells gorgeous. I think I've discovered a new game. It's called How Many Darts Can You Knock Out? By throwing them at the shitty dartboard. I hope they stick in the map better than they stick in the dartboard. What do you reckon? One for all. See if we can get a bolt. Yes! Well, yeah. On that bombshell, I'll go back to my dinner. Right. Dinner is coming along nicely. So what we're going to do now is add a little bit of salmon. I've not tried salmon for a long time. Actually, no, I'll tell a lie because I had some sushi earlier. So I have actually had salmon today. But yeah, I was actually quite surprised at the price of tinned salmon. It's not the cheapest. Now I know some of you are thinking like, my god, what's he doing? He's going to ruin it. I'm not. As you know, I like my fish. And sometimes, you just don't want to put sardines in everything. Sometimes you want a bit of salmon, a bit of quality. This is just simple and full of goodness. You've got your grains, you've got your rice, you've got your fish, you've got your omega-3s, you've got your mushrooms, you've got your onions. What more do you need? A little bit of chilli and smoked paprika. You should leave that simmering again, and another crack at these darts. There is literally no weight to these, that's why they're not sticking. Absolutely shocking. I've had poos that are sharper than this, if you know what I mean. Right, it's official. The £9 dartboard from Smith's is cack. What we need to do now is cover this, set it to one side. What we need then is the old ridgeless monkey. I've never actually done this before, so I don't know if this is going to work or not. I'm hoping it will. I'm just going to try it with half, for the simple reason a full one won't fit in. So I'm just going to leave that in there, because you're supposed to do this in an oven. However, we don't have an oven. Putting it in there. Yeah. Right. Cover that so it keeps its heat. Hopefully stop sliding down the freaking table. Right. Flatbread looks to be cooking quite nicely. Very nice. I've also figured out the darts. So if you get it, sort of like twist it as you're throwing it. They all stick in. I could be the next Jockey Wilson. Right, I think that is about done. The flatbread's nearly done. So, I'm just going to dish it out. Look at that. That is beautiful. Lovely. And we have some nice soft flatbread as well. Gorgeous. Right. Dinner time. Right. I'm going to sit here. Oh, my nice warm flatbread. Enjoy my dinner. And my wonderful view over the valleys and hills of the Pennines. So, let's just try this a minute. That is actually really tasty. It's got a very malty taste to it because of the grains. Let's try a bit of the flatbread. See how the flatbread's cooked in the Ridge Monkey. Perfect. Bon appetit. Right guys, I'm going to leave it there. It's been a really short one, this video. Like I said, I was supposed to be going to North Yorkshire. I've got a really nice place picked out. It's a sassy little place. Very sassy. So basically when I throw the dart, I have to pinpoint with Google Maps where it is. So it's sort of like just to the left of York. So I'm going to go there next week. Quite an interesting little place actually. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope I haven't bored you all to death. And I will see you next week. And we will be out travelling proper next week. It's just the weather with 2 storms we've had and all the snow and everything. It's just been, it wasn't even worth bothering going out. But beautiful view. Crisp, clear winter evening. And a nice hot meal. What more do you need? Anyway, stay safe out there. Thanks for watching. Adioski. So what do I have in my little bag of... We're at Elk Mill because I need to go and get some bits for stuff. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about.